If you have been wondering where you can watch all of your favorite anime for free, then this video is for you. Without wasting further of your time, let's get to it. The first on my list is Crunchyroll. On Crunchyroll, you can access thousands of anime titles all for free legally by just creating a free account on their platform. Now, this platform is actually ad supported, which means that you're actually going to be seeing ads whenever you're watching your favorite anime on this platform. You simply click and play. So, take for example, we are about to watch this anime. You simply click on it, and just like that, you become able to access a whole lot of episodes all for free legally, just as you can see on your screen right now. Now, they have a lot of newest anime on their platform. You can see the newest section. There's so much anime in here, all newest titles fully available for you to enjoy. And at the same time, they also have the popular section where you are going to see a lot of popular titles for you to enjoy. Now, if you want to remove ads from their platform and don't want to be seeing any ads, it's quite simple. All you have to do is upgrade to premium, and every ad is going to be removed from the platform. Now, Crunchyroll is also available as an app for Android devices, and at the same time, it's available for your iOS devices and your smart TV devices. Number two on my list is Tubi TV. Now, Tubi TV is quite popular because in here you'll be able to enjoy a combination of movies, TV series, and at the same time, anime on their platform. Now, on the plus side, Tubi TV also have live TV channels fully available. You can see it in here. Watch free live TV on any device. Now, Tubi is available as an app, and to prove to you that this app is actually game changer, I'm going to show you how many download Tubi TV is having. Now, if you go to the Google Play Store, you see that Tubi TV is currently having 100 million downloads, which means that this app is game changer because 100 million people won't download an app if that app does not work. And you can see stream now. You can see so many stuff on your screen. So you guys have to give Tubi TV a try. Now, if you're finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button because doing that is actually going to help me to grow my YouTube channel. And I'm really going to appreciate if you take out time to do that. Third on my list is Bilibili. Now, Bilibili is not quite popular, but you can see that it's having 100 million download. But it's not one of the platforms that a lot of people talk about, but few people actually know about this app called Bilibili. Now, with this app, you'll be able to access a whole lot of anime titles. You can see it right now on your screen. Now, everything you're going to be watching, majority of them are going to be for free, legally with ads. And at the same time, on Bilibili, I think you can also upgrade to premium to remove ads. So give any of the three that I've mentioned in this video a try and let me know which one you prefer in the comment section. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.